Good day, all of you. Today I have come up with a story that is a small boy and a puppy. Now, there was a sale advertisement put on a pet shop, puppies for sale. A young boy saw it and came inside. He asked the owner of the shop, like, how worth is the puppies or how much he has to pay for the puppies. Then the shop owner told it comes between $30 to $50. So the little boy was very curious to see the puppies. At least show me the puppies so that let me decide which one I had to buy. And he put his hands into the pocket and took out $5 and told that this much only I have, but if I like the puppies I will definitely give you few from the pocket money I have in the following months. The shop owner was so happy. He decided to show the puppies to the young boy and he took him to the kennel. There, when he whistled, small 5 puppies came out. All were very beautiful looking and one was limping behind. So the small boy asked, what happened to that puppy? The shop owner told, see, I have took him to a veterinarian and he told that the hip socket is not there for the puppy when he was born. So don't leave it. That is, you see the other puppies because that one will be limping the whole life. So leave it, you don't take that puppy. See the other 4 puppies and which one do you like? You can take it home. But this boy told, no, I want that limping puppy only. Because, no, then if you are in need of the puppy, then take it. I don't want anything, the shop owner told. The small child looked into the eyes of the shop owner and with stern, firm words he told that limping puppy has every right to have the same value of like the others. See, I have got $5. I'll pay the rest in installments as told to you earlier. But I want that puppy itself. No, he won't be able to run behind you or play with you. So you can select the other. Otherwise, if you want just to keep that, then take it. It's free of cost. No, it definitely worth the same amount. I want that limping puppy. Why do you want that? The shop owner asked the small child. He sat there on a stool and rolled up his pants. Shop owner was stunned seeing his crippled leg supported by metal braces. See, I want a companion. I can't run behind the puppies. I can't go around jumping or running. So I want a companion. And that limping puppy would suit me well. And don't worry, I'll pay you the rest of the amount, then only I will take. Till the time, uncle, please keep this puppy for me. I'll definitely come and pay you the whole amount. So this was a lesson, like, don't underestimate anybody. Everybody has their worth, value. So that's for the day. Hope you like the story. Thank you.